Kabiyesi Ọba adeyeye enitan ojaja the second Ooni of Ife. Please come and listen to what Oba adeyeye said.
The architect of our problems. We just keep talking. We haven't faced that fact that we are the problem of this nation. All of us, let us tell ourselves the truth. Let's redesign the fundamental structure of this country. Devolution of powers. Why should we make the president of Nigeria, the governor, presidency so powerful? The EFCC chairman innocently said something here that he will go after the presidency, he will go after the judiciary, he will go after the legislative arm. I will be praying for you. I will be praying for you. I will pray and fast for you. Some people have been there before you. Let's be truthful. How did they end? They tried to do some certain things. Maybe they're listening to their leaders and their masters that put them there. I will pray for you. I mean it too. Yorubas will say we need to do more abusari for you. It's not easy. He has spoken very, very wonderfully well that he wants to make a mark. But a lot of people will misread him that you, after putting you there, you want to go after us. When are we going to grow in this country? When? We all sit down and talk. There is a problem in Nigeria. So corruption is everywhere. Don't let us deceive ourselves. Our leaders will so much be successful in private sector. They will gather lots and lots of hundreds of millions to go and do PR for them to get political appointment. What are they going to go and do when they get there? They will steal. That's what they will do, because the system has made that kind of portfolio and office to be very attractive. Let us make laws, let us review our constitution, and let us stop deceiving ourselves. It is very few impact our leaders can make. If we know that we cannot make much impact, we will keep talking. We will keep talking every year, and things will continue to get worse. Because the population is growing very rapidly. An average Nigerian now is a 20-year-old. 20 years of age, between 18 and 20 years. That's the average Nigerian age now. So what are you going to tell those coming generation? If we continue, if we don't really look inwardly and change the structure. And the governors, if we don't do this, we are in trouble in Nigeria. We will continue to talk. You will continue to feed fat and continue to bring corruption to the table of our religious leaders. It's a problem. It's a bad culture. Let us change it and let us talk to ourselves. If we want this country to grow, let us go back to our local communities. Charity begins at home. Everything starts from somewhere. We cannot survive with what we have in Nigeria now. It's not possible. Anybody that says we will survive with it, let that person come out. It's a lie. Even if you are the genius of this world, it's not possible. Let us change the structure of this country. But if you say with what we have right now, the lie, it's a white lie. Nothing can change. If you are a leader, do what is just and right. You are a servant. Stop amassing wealth. What do you want to use it for? You want to continue oppressing people? Someday they will face you. We don't pray for that to happen in Nigeria. God bless our entire country, and God bless all of us.